In order to enable your password vault, we need to add the GateKeeper Password extension to your browser and pin it to your taskbar. If you're using Microsoft Edge, open up your Edge browser. Go to your search engine and search for Microsoft Edge add-ons and click the top link. Now that you're at the Microsoft Edge store, on the upper left, there's a search bar that says Search the store. In here, type in GateKeeper Password Manager. There it is. Go ahead and click it. Now on the right, there's a blue button. It says Get. Click that. And from the pop-up prompt, click Add Extension. And ta-da! You've done it. Now on the upper right, it'll ask you if you want to turn on sync. We don't need that, so X out of that. However, we want to pin GateKeeper to your taskbar. So go up to the right corner and you'll see an icon that looks like a little jigsaw puzzle piece. That's your extensions menu. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, you'll see GateKeeper Password Manager. And next to it, an icon that looks like a tiny eyeball. Click that and boom, pinned. Now the GateKeeper menu will remain there in the upper right corner for easy access. Your browser is now GateKeeper enabled, and your password vault is ready for action.